In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add delivery locations in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new place your orders can ship from or be picked up, which helps with accurate shipping rates, inventory routing, and local delivery options. Start by opening the Shopify website and logging into your store. Once you're in the admin, look for the settings option at the bottom left of the dashboard. Inside settings, find and open locations. This is where all your store's active fulfillment points live, whether that's a warehouse, a retail store, or a third-party space you manage. Click Add Location to create a new one. You'll see a page with editable sections. Next to the name field, click the pencil icon to start editing. Enter a clear, recognizable name, something like Main Warehouse or Downtown Pickup, so you and your team immediately know what this place is for. When you're happy with the name, click Done to confirm. Now let's add the address details. Click the pencil icon next to address to open those fields. Begin by selecting your country or region, then type the street address. If an autocomplete drop-down appears, choose the correct match to reduce errors and ensure mapping services work properly for delivery calculations. Add any additional details that help your staff or couriers locate the spot, such as a suite number, floor, building name, or a short note for the receiving door. Fill in the postal code, choose your city, and select the state or region. Take a moment to confirm these are accurate. Small typos here can affect tax calculations, shipping zones, and local delivery eligibility. Add a phone number for the location as well. This should be a number someone can answer during business hours in case carriers or customers need assistance. When everything looks good, click Save. If you see another Save button afterward, click Save again to finalize all changes. Shopify sometimes prompts a second confirmation if multiple sections were edited, so don't worry, that's expected. That's it. You've added a new delivery location to your Shopify store. From here, Shopify can route orders to this address, include it in your shipping and local delivery setup, and help you keep inventory organized by location. If you manage multiple sites, repeat the same steps for each one, keeping names and addresses consistent and clear. Staying precise here pays off with fewer delivery mistakes and a smoother checkout experience for your customers.